Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, we have a Math Olympiad question from Brazil, and our task is to find the value of A over A plus B over B plus C over C plus A, given that A minus B times B minus C times A minus C divided by A plus B times B plus C times C plus A is equal to 1 over 11. Now, there's a very simple way of solving this problem. The trick is to realize that we can write this expression on the left-hand side of this equation as A minus B over A plus B plus B minus C over B plus C. And now here, instead of A minus C, we have plus C minus A over C plus A. And of course, since this is equal to this is going to be equal to 1 over 11. Now, what we are going to do is that we will call this expression A, and then let B be equal to B over A plus B plus C over B plus C plus A over C plus A. Now, what we are going to do is that we will add A and B. So we have A plus B. This is equal to, now since these two fractions have the same denominator, that is A plus B, we have A plus B. So we have A plus B over A plus B. In the same way, these two fractions have the same denominator. So here we have B plus C over B plus C. And of course, in the third fraction, they also have the same denominator. So we have C plus A over C plus A. But of course, you know that A plus B over A plus B is equal to 1. B plus C over B plus C is equal to 1. And of course, C plus A over C plus A is equal to 1. So we have that A plus B is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. Now, the next thing we are going to do is that we will subtract B from A. Once more, remember that these two fractions have the same denominator. These two fractions have the same denominator. These two fractions also have the same denominator. So when we subtract this first fraction from this, we have A minus B over A plus B, which is exactly what we have here. Then we have B minus C over B plus C, which is exactly what we have here. And of course, we have C minus A over C plus A, which is exactly what we have here. So that tells us that A minus B is equal to 1 over 11. Now we have two simultaneous equations in A and B, and these equations are very easy to solve. Now, since we are looking for the value of A, the easiest thing to do is to add these two equations. When we do that, we have 2A. This is equal to, now we can write 3 as 33 over 11 plus 1 over 11. 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. So we have that 2A is equal to 34 over 11. And of course, dividing both sides of this equation by 2, we have that A is equal to 34 over 11 times 1 over 2. 2 into itself is 1, into 34 is 17 over 11. So the value of A is 17 over 11. Now, before we end the tutorial, I'd urge you to try and prove that this is equal to this, and tell me your findings in the comment section. And also, if there are easier ways of solving this Math Olympiad problem, please let us know in the comment section. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.